and about. It just rained. Oh, man, I can't. I'm not sure if you can see that. The light. Oh yeah, hopefully you saw that. Should be able to see it when we get closer to mine. Oh god, stepped in another fucking puddle. Jesus, man. Don't remember there being so many puddles up on the sidewalk right here. Oh man, I don't know if you got that, but hopefully I got that. Damn, man. Blinking lights. Man, I'm really hoping it. I may need to get a real good camera for that. See there, one little flash. There we are. Love those flashes, it's fucking awesome. Yeah. Oh, is it raining again? Please don't rain, I got a long way to walk. Yeah. It's fucking beautiful. Car coming. Glare of the lights, kind of cool. Boom, baby. Alright. Okay, so there's a cat up here. I think it's my neighbor's cat, but I don't know how it got all the way up here. Over here. I got about right there in front of the house and it just come out of nowhere at me. Did the same thing he did. Grab my leg and like gnaw at it and shit. Hopefully it's not him. Don't see him. But back to recording the lightning. And then we get on the side of the street. I must need to clean my phone camera lens. Dildo dang bang boom boom thing. Killing. Or internet place. Quick link. CenturyLink. Yeah. And again, that. Well. Oh, nope. I was gonna say, I thought it was over, but it's not. Damn, already 3-minute video. Ooh, that was gorgeous. Frickin' love that ooh, there's a lightning bolt with that. I don't know if I got it. Man, that's just so beautiful. Love the sound of rain gently tapping down on the roof at night. So peaceful, serene. Smoke a good ball of some good green and you fucking bloosh, you're out. That rain just kills ya, so to say. It's better than a midnight lullaby. Ooh, how's it doing over there? On top of the train place. Oh. Man, damn it. I need 2 new cameras. I wish I still had my Canon Sure Shot. That took great video and pictures. Man, I should have never sold it. Should have sold the fucking blue thing camera. Should have just stuck with that, kept that camera, sold the red Sony, and the cool pics or snap pics, whatever the hell that thing was. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna stop before I get hit by lightning.